Welcome back to my channel, Learn with Anika. Today we'll be talking about comparing fractions. When you are comparing two fractions, you have to make sure they are the same denominator. First, we need to make the denominators equal so it'd be easier to compare the fractions. In our example, we'll be comparing 1/3 and 2/4. We have to find the LCM, which is the same denominator. 1/3 will change into 4/12 because we do it times 4, and 2/4 will change into 6/12 because we multiply it by 3. So 4/12 is less than 6/12. So we put the less than sign in the middle. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye! Subscribe!